Unit 7, In My City, Part 1. Listen to the dialogues and repeat.
Where is the bank?
I'm sorry, I don't know.
Where's the school?
Over there.
Part 2. Listen and repeat.
Bank. Hospital. Library. Market. Mosque. Museum. School. Shopping center. Zoo.
Part 4. Listen to the dialogues and order. 1.
Where is Tom?
He's at the museum.
2.
Where is Tom?
He is in the hospital.
3.
Where is Tom?
He is at school.
4.
Where is Tom?
He is at the market.
5.
Where is Tom?
He is at the zoo.
6.
Where is Tom?
He is at the library.
Part 6. Listen and complete the dialogues. 1.
Where is Eddie now?
He is in the town.
2.
Where are you now?
At the zoo.
3.
Where's the museum?
Sorry, I don't know.
4.
Where is the shopping center?
Over there.
Part 8. Listen to the dialogues and tick. 1.
Where is Aslı?
She is in the park.
2.
Where is Tom now?
He is at the mosque.
3.
Where is Ayça?
She is at the market.
4.
Where is Fiona?
She is at the museum.
5.
Where is Jim?
He is at the shopping center.
Part 9. Listen and sing the song.